YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Stop Poppy back at you guys in another video. Now, before we start off today's video, I just want to say thank you guys for helping me reach my goal of gaining 100 subscribers. I just hit it the other day. I appreciate you guys so much. If you're a subscriber and you watch the videos, it means a lot to me. My next goal is going to be 500 subscribers. Maybe we can hit it by the end of the year going into 2020 strong, but we'll see. So if you guys are just watching this video now, please hit that like and subscribe. It means a lot to me. And also go hit that link in the bio. Link in the description. Go follow me on the gram to see how I style all my outfits and all my sneakers. But so go do those things. Let me get some more energy drink. By the way, if you guys haven't had this energy drink, Rant, this shit's fire. It's good for you too. They got BCAAs, creatine, a lot of caffeine, but this ain't an energy drink video. But I just wanted to throw them out there. Shout out to them. Feel free to sponsor the channel. But anyways, we got a new sneaker pickup today. I'm not really going to give you guys a review because there's 100 videos on this shoe. I just figured I got it in from Yeezy Supply yesterday. And yeah, I just wanted to give you guys my thoughts and opinions on the shoe because I think it's a pretty dope shoe. So without further ado, let's just get into it. As you can see, I'll just show out the box. You know, it's a 350. If you guys follow shoes, you know, 2 pairs of 350s came out this weekend. Cloud white, size 11, bang bang, there's the sizing tag. And yeah, shout out Yeezy Supply. I hit these online, and here they are, bang bang. Also, another thing about Yeezy Supply is that, well, another good thing is that they used to charge $20 for shipping. Now shipping's free. I literally haven't bought something off Yeezy Supply since, I'm trying to think. Since like the Mauve 700. It's been a while because Yeezy Supply was on like some fuckery, like with Yeezy releases. Like I didn't even get the Lundmarks, and I didn't even get some other 350s that came out, especially the Clays. The Clays were like the last thing I tried, or the Lundmarks, and then like the Clays before. Those were the 2 Yeezys I tried to get on Yeezy Supply that I just like took an L on. But yeah. So anyways, we got the Cloud Whites. They added like a capture system to make it better. But anyways, not a video about Yeezy Supply, but if you're looking for Yeezys, go there, see if you can scoop them up. Anyways, let's get into these. As you can see, all blue upper. I really like this colorway. It's so clean in person. I was like, when I got these, I was like, all right, whatever. Maybe like if I don't like them, I'll just sell them. But I really like this color, man. It is so clean. It reminds me of the static 350s I used to have. I literally sold those for like $300. I'm not like, I just sold them because I could buy like the 700 V2. So that's why I sold those. But I really did like that shoe, but I like the 700 V2 static a little better. But anyways, this reminds me of that, just with a blue hint. So I kind of like it. I'm definitely going to rock these because I kind of do miss, like I said, I miss those static 350s I had. And then my favorite part of the shoe is this like quadrant up here that's like completely different color than the rest of this pattern, which I kind of like how they're doing. So, I mean, they're dropping a bunch of 350s, but they keep adding different things, which I really like. So yeah, looking at this shoe from above, or like looking down at it, it has like a really cool look to it. So yeah, I'm a fan of these. And the good news is, if you guys did miss, they're going for pretty much retail on StockX. So yeah, I mean, it's a win-win for everybody. Like I said, these are relatively easy to get, which is going to bring me to my next point, is that I see like a bunch of people complaining now that Yeezys are easy to get, and these are like bricks now, and like Boost is trash, blah, blah, blah. And it's like, bro, I remember times like 2 to 3 years ago where I literally wasted 5 hours of my day taking L's on these damn shoes on Adidas. And honestly, I don't even care about the hype because I wear my shit. Like, I'm not a reseller. I don't need to, like, I don't need to sell these to eat. Like, I make money other ways. So I don't need to buy a bunch of these and sell them to idiot kids for $450. But, I mean, hey, if that's what you gotta do, that's what you gotta do. I'm not hating. But it just brings me to the point. It's like, everyone's saying Boost is dead, Boost is dead. And I keep seeing it on Twitter, because I'm on Twitter. And people are like, oh, look at all these bricks just sitting in the store, blah, blah, blah. And it's like, bro, do you not realize that literally every single Nike or Air Jordan shoe, this is not a diss on Nike or Air Jordan, by the way. I love Jordans. I love Nike. I like pretty much every brand. But there's like a thin line in the community that says, like, oh, your shoe has to sell out for it to be cool, which is definitely not true. Like, if you think a shoe is cooler because it sells out and resells for more money, like, nah, you're just like in it for the wrong reason. But anyways, getting back to my point, and I was in Foot Locker the other day, like literally every Air Jordan retro that has released in the last 5 months is literally still sitting at the Foot Locker, besides the Air Jordan 1 retros. Besides those. And even some of those colorways don't like, I mean, the Obsidian sold out right away, but some of the other ones they dropped this summer are like, we're sitting in some sizes. So it's pretty much like every Nike Air Jordan shoe also sits on the shelves, besides a collab. If it's a collaboration, it's probably gonna sell out because it has some hype behind it. Those are literally like the only shoes that sell out these days are like Nike or collaborations. I guess this is technically a collaboration, but at this point, not really. Like, it's easy, but anyways, that's just a little rant for you guys. I think this is a clean shoe. So, like, honestly, if you're like me and you like the 350, like, I wear my Clays every day. It's a really comfortable shoe. And it's also nice because it's like, I see so many people that get so hyped, like, on the internet, like, they get the first 350 for retail, and I just remember that feeling. It's, like, a cool feeling. Like, I got my first Yeezy for retail, especially if you were like me back in the day and you were just, like, taking L's all over the place trying to get these things. It's such a cool feeling, and it kind of warms my heart a little bit to see everyone get to enjoy this shoe, because it shouldn't be an exclusive item. Like, it should, like, Kanye has a ton of fans. Like, he has a huge fan base. Like, everyone, like, maybe some colorways should be limited to, you know, hype up the shoe a little bit. But at the end of the day, like, if you want a Yeezy, you should be able to get a Yeezy. Like, especially, like, it's Air Jordan Retros, for example. If it's an OG colorway, they're making a shit ton of them because they want everyone to have that nostalgia factor, or like people who grew up in the 90s or like who like Michael Jordan should be able to buy the OG Jordan. They're not going to make a Bred 4 super limited so only a certain amount of people can have it. That's how I feel with Yeezys. I feel like everyone should be able to get them. And in the future, man, who knows? Like, Travis Scott gets bigger and his shoes are really limited right now, but it's an effect. It's like these companies make the shoe really limited, they bring up the hype, and then more and more releases come, they up the number. So it's like, whatever. I'm not saying Travis Scott's gonna get to Kanye's level where he has his own shoe and he like has his own line. He might be the next dude in line. I mean, he's definitely got the hype around him right now. But this ain't a Travis Scott versus Kanye video. But anyways, I was just showing you guys my Cloud White and give you guys some thoughts. Final opinions, it's a clean shoe. I might even wear them today. So follow the gram, see if I post up a pic, or you'll see on my story to see if I'm wearing them. So yeah, I'm about to dip out of here. Once again, thank you guys for getting me to 100 subs. Really appreciate it. Get the grind to 500 and then 1,000 up from there. So yeah, thank you guys again. And thank you guys for watching this video. I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace.